Paketto. From field to table, healthy packaging. Founded in the year 1962, Sağbil Paketto manufactures machines that ensure the correct, fast, and healthy packaging of powdered and granular products, strengthened by years of experience and technology. Offering packaging solutions for a wide range of products such as flour, semolina, tea, sugar, legumes, coffee, and chips. Sağbil Paketto has adopted the principle of preserving the blessings of nature in the most efficient way and delivering them to the consumer. The journey of a seed falling into the soil, growing with effort, and reaching the tables requires great care and precision at every stage. Sağbil Paketto builds the bridge in this journey by correctly packaging what nature provides, from the field to the table. A technology racing against time. Fast, healthy, waste-free packaging. In this era where time flows quickly and the consumer's need for quality and trust has increased, correct packaging solutions have gained much more importance. Sağbil Paketto ensures that products are packaged at the highest quality, without waste and with longevity, by offering speed and health together. It aligns advancing technology with the values provided by nature. Leadership in packaging technology. The machines produced by Sağbil Paketto offer great value not only to the producer, but also to the consumer. Correct packaging affects many important factors, from healthy food safety to the freshness of products. Sağbil Paketto fulfills this responsibility at the highest level. The machines we produce guarantee a correct, fast, and healthy packaging process, protecting both the producer and the consumer on the shelves with the same sensitivity. Global success. Sağbil Paketto's signature in over 1,000 facilities. Since 1962, Sağbil Paketto has established over 1,000 facilities worldwide and operates on 4 continents. This success reflects the brand's commitment to technologies that perform healthy, fast, and seamless filling processes in the global market in the most perfect way. By combining its continuously evolving technology with the art of proper packaging, it continues to strengthen the bond between producer and consumer with long-term goals. Our machinery fleet and product range. Sağbil Paketto's extensive machinery fleet offers packaging solutions suitable for all kinds of needs. Our machines such as 5050K, 9000C, 3035K, and 2020 represent the most advanced technology in the industry, offering ideal packaging solutions for every type of product. With the Festina brand, solutions for special needs have been developed. Sağbil Paketto opens the way to share the values offered by nature correctly while preserving them. With our machines, we bring together respect for nature and the power of technology on this journey. Sağbil Paketto continues to be a pioneer in the packaging industry by always aiming for better.